Hi guys, this is Preeti, your life coach and law of attraction guide. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to learn more about how to use law of attraction to manifest your dreams, desires, and to attract abundance into your life. Don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in my last video on mirror manifestation, I had asked if you guys wanted a script of what exactly to say when you are doing mirror manifestation, and a lot of you wanted me to upload this video. So here I am. So just a quick recap. Mirror manifestation is a method where you stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes and talk positive things, positive self-talk. And the reason you do that is because mirrors give a reflection. So if you put positive thoughts, positive intention, positive words towards a mirror, it's going to reflect back into you. So that's why mirror manifestation is very powerful, very simple, very easy, and any beginner can do it. And the results are amazing. If you have more questions about mirror manifestation and don't know exactly what it is, you can watch this video right here. So let's begin. Stand in front of the mirror, be confident, look at yourself, look into your eyes, and repeat after me. I am confident. I am loved. I am loving. I deserve happiness. I deserve love. I am so successful. Thank you, universe, for giving me everything that I desire. Every day, in every way, I am attracting abundance into my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So that's it. You can repeat this simple script every single day. And of course, you can add more things if you're trying to manifest, say, good grades in your exams. You can say something like, you are a wonderful student. Or you can say, I am a wonderful student. I am getting amazing grades. I love studying. Exams are very easy for me. I'm getting amazing results. My parents are proud of me. My teachers are very happy that I am so hardworking and I get such good grades. So I hope you understand that when you stand in front of the mirror, it's very important to say positive things out loud so that the mirror reflects it back into your life and you're multiplying that vibration. Do this every single day. Here's another example. If you're trying to get a new job, you can say something like, I am so happy that I've got this new job. Thank you, universe, for fulfilling my desire. I love my new job. My new job is so exciting and so rewarding. I'm really satisfied with it. My colleagues and my manager are amazing. I look forward to going to work every single day. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. So these are a few examples of how you can use the mirror manifestation to your advantage. What has been your experience with mirror manifestation? Comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear your success stories. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.